Welcome back to the Mobile Fun YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at 5 Apple AirTag accessories so you can get the most out of the product. Links to all these products are in the description below. For those of you that don't know, an Apple AirTag is used to track your possessions. It updates its location with Bluetooth Low Energy and iOS devices that are nearby. This allows it to be small and not eat through batteries. The main issue with the AirTag is that on its own you can't track anything. This means that its only use out of the box is to track a bag. Thankfully, Olixar has us covered with these fantastic accessories. The first one we have is for dog owners watching. This clever little accessory houses the AirTag. Then you can simply attach it to your dog's collar or harness, and it creates a really strong fit, ensuring that it won't come off easily. Perfect if you've got a bit of an unpredictable pooch that is prepared to run after any squirrel they see. As they can track your pet, they could also help deter dog thieves, which has unfortunately been on the rise since the pandemic. Next up, we have a sticky silicone pocket. These are perfect for securing your AirTag to things like a remote or wallet. You could also use one to secure one in your car in an unsuspecting place where thieves are less likely to find it. If you are someone that is prone to misplacing your remote, we've all been there, you can easily attach it to the AirTag, then play a sound when you lose it. This will make it a lot easier to find. Next up, we have a keyring holder. Because it's not just remotes that we misplace. This will simply house the AirTag and allow you to attach it to your keys. Then you can easily find them when they are not where you've left them. Also handy if you drop your keys while out, as the location will update. Or even better, someone can scan the AirTag and give you a call to give them back to you. Moving on to something that will protect your AirTag, this little film protector will cover the shiny metal part of the AirTag. This will help it stop getting scratched in everyday use when it's on your keys or in your bag. For me, I wouldn't mind it getting scratched up, but I know people like to keep their gadgets pristine, and if you're one of them, this is a must-have. Make sure you check out the installation video on our YouTube channel. Last but not least, we have a soft silicone luggage loop. Now, if you're like me, you probably thought, why wouldn't you just put it in your bag or suitcase? Well, as someone from the office pointed out to me, if your possessions are lost, you want someone to be able to contact you, especially if they've gone to another country, as you can't just hop in your car and collect your suitcase. Someone can easily scan it and contact you to let them know they've got your luggage. Overall, this soft silicone luggage loop will easily connect to any suitcase handle, and better yet, as it has 3 colours, you can even spot your luggage on the belt. These 5 accessories should have you pretty covered in terms of tracking your belongings. I hope this helps you decide on which best suits your needs. Please subscribe for more videos from Mobile Fun. Share with anyone you know that needs to attach their AirTag to their remote. Comment below your thoughts on these products. And finally, to buy any of these products or the AirTags themselves, check out the link in the description below.